Here is a current update from YouTube. Making subscriber counts visible, and it says starting July 29th, channels can no longer hide their subscriber count on YouTube. Displaying all channels' subscriber counts makes it harder to impersonate others. So we have few days now left. You must make your subscriber count visible, okay? And here is how to do it. As you can see, have a look at this channel. We have 3 subscribers, right? Then let's go and hide it and then make it public as well. Now let's go ahead and make our subscribers count visible. Follow me. Here is my profile picture. I will click on that and go for YouTube Studio. Then, okay, have a look at the subscriber counts. You can see that we have 3 subscribers. So when you get to your YouTube Studio, go for settings here, click on that settings. That will take you to here. So go for channel and then go for advanced settings. Then you can see here, scroll down and you see that subscriber count. So as you can see, it is active. Display the number of people subscribed to my channel. So it's active. That is why you can see it here. Okay. So let's go ahead and untick and then save. Okay. Let's see what happens. I will have to go and refresh. You can now see that my subscriber count is no longer available. So this is what YouTube is telling everybody. Go now and make it available. Okay. So to make it available, remember the process. Go to your YouTube Studio. Then under Studio, go click on settings. Then from settings, go for channel. Then from channel, go for advanced settings. Then here under subscriber count, click to check and remember to save. You must save. If you don't save it, it's not gonna be visible. So after checking it, okay, as you can see, it's checked, and then go for save and settings saved. You can see it down here, settings saved. So let's go ahead. Remember previously we removed that. Let's go ahead and refresh and see if it will count. Here we go, it counts. So you can see that I have 3 subscribers here. So that is how to make your subscriber counts visible. Remember, you must do that before according to YouTube here, starting July 29th. Starting July 29th, channels can no longer hide their subscribers. So go ahead and make it visible. Thanks for watching and God bless you all. And remember, please hit that red subscribe button